So I'm gonna try and use some milk jugs to go fishing. So I can set them out and then just watch for jug movement and go pick up the fish. So I'm gonna try using live bait. I'm gonna go fish for crick chubs in a little bit. Using 30-pound line, and I'm going to tie it onto the handle of the milk jug. And then I'm gonna put these little bait hooks on with a lead teardrop weight above it, and above the lead teardrop weight I'm gonna have some of these little trailer type deals for like a little bit smaller of a minnow, and just have that above so that the fish can either snatch up the big one or they can go after the little one, or maybe we'll get lucky and they'll go after the little one and the big one. We'll get two fish in one little thing. Anyway, let's start. Take that off, stick it over here. So I'm gonna start with this jug. I'm just gonna tie it on. Just not any special knot. I'm just gonna tie it on. Oh yeah, we quadruple knot that sucker. Okay, and then I'm gonna run out about just take an arm's length basically. So about 6 foot, a little more than that actually, because you still gotta tie the hook to it. So you get that, get the scissors. Cut your line. My bad. Go back to the end. I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna have to sharpen this hook, it's a bit rusty. I'm gonna do fisherman's knot. Wrap her through. Not cut the good line, but cut the tags off. If the scissor will cooperate. It's definitely good line. Don't need a leader for this one, it doesn't seem. If a scissor can't go through it. It takes quite a bit anyway. Alright, that's tight. We'll throw this guy on there first. Just slide the little noose thing above it. I'm gonna go up about 3 foot. Thought I was supposed to be able to slide her tight. Maybe not. I guess that's just gonna be a floater. That minnow can go whatever depth it wants, I guess now. This lead weight though is going to keep the bottom one at the bottom. But I'm going to go about a foot up from the hook and then just do a normal knot on it. Oh. If it'll let me, I guess. Alright. Alright, so that jug is set at 6 foot, so I'm going to take the marker, flip it sideways because it's going to be down. I'm going to go 6 foot fishing jug. Alright, see right there. Then repeat that however many times you want, at whatever depths you want, and go catch you some fish.